Hi everyone, today we have our new prototype design which is used to monitor the air quality level over Bluetooth connectivity. In this proto design, Infineon's XENSIV CO2 sensor is interfaced with the AIROC Bluetooth MCU CYW20A29. Our 20829 with its two integrated ARM Cortex M33 lends itself to many use cases such as home and industrial automation. And our 20829 based module is fully integrated with Bluetooth 5.4 features. Bluetooth Shield to Go is a smaller form factor board for quick prototyping. XENSIV CO2 Shield has a real carbon dioxide sensor interfaced using I2C. Both the Shields boards are combined together and placed inside the 3D printed case. The 3D modeling software is used to design the concept look and then printed using 3D printer. The PCBs and LEDs are assembled inside the casing. With this design, we are focusing on monitoring the CO2 level wirelessly. Powering the device by just connecting to the USB port. Here, we have our phone running the AIROC Bluetooth Connect app. It shows the current CO2 level. Also, the RGB LED on the device indicates the air quality level in the room. The sensor data is pushed to the cloud and it can be retrieved through any smart gadgets like Amazon Echo Dot or Google Home. We are excited to have our 20829 in the hands of developers and see how Infineon Bluetooth solutions can be seamlessly integrated with their products.